Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today I have this very fluffy slime. Look. Is it cool? Ah! It's so cool. I'm just using all of the frames. Okay, sorry. Okay, now let's open it. I just smelled it before. It stinks. I had to wash my hands 2 times until it's done washing with a lot of soap. But it's still good at playing. It's so soft. Do you want to hear the sound when I put it in there? Again. Sure. It's so cool, right? Let's just take a little bit out to play because there's so much. It's not gonna stretch out. Oh no. Look, it's so clear and glittery. Balls. So cool. Let's see if I can make a slime swirl. Poopy slime. Isn't that good? Let's try it again. Look at my slime swirl. Destroy. Oh no, this stuff is stuck on me. This gets flat. You want to see my face, guys? I want to put some in here. It's so hard to tear the pieces out. Not enough. Oh no! Let's see it when we flip it over. So what I see is trash. It's so fun. But it's not, especially the smell. It stinks. How to wash my... Oh, baby's crying, cameraman. Okay, faster. Okay, so 10 minutes. 10. Oh no, baby's crying. I have to stop the video now. Sorry. Bye. Guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.